It's Alex, and welcome to week 4 of Cooking Through the Bulletproof Cookbook, which I actually haven't been doing. I haven't even made a video. I haven't updated my video from last week. So we're done with a whole week, and I haven't uploaded my video from a week ago. So that's probably not going to happen. We're kind of combine the 2 weeks. Oh, I'm kind of close. Okay. I'm propping my arm. Oh, the dog is propping the prop. So yet another change is in my future. Instead of doing what I've been doing, I am only going to update these videos when I actually do make a recipe out of the Bulletproof Cookbook. Mostly I've just been making stuff up based on what I know is allowed, the ingredients that are allowed. When I do try recipes out of the cookbook, I'm still really amazed at them. I just made the chocolate cupcakes and they turned out spectacular. I put strawberries on them and they're really good. I feel really good lately. I haven't updated you on what's physically going on in my body, but I feel great. Better than ever. I do still get achy joints now and then. And my ankle, let me show you my ankle right now. I was walking barefoot earlier. So I'm elevating and icing. The rec center in our community just started a whole week of yoga class scheduling, and I so want to go to these classes. It has bar class, prana bar. It has booty yoga. This is good stuff. So I've got to get this ankle in order, and all of the instructors for these classes have told me I need to elevate, I need to compress, and I need to ice it. So I'm icing it and elevating it right now, and I've been walking around on a compression for most of the day. However, I did do yoga. They have a yoga room, and when it's not in use for a class, you can just use it. So I was in there doing yoga, and all of a sudden the music got so good that I just started dancing. I was a dancer in high school, and I just brought out my old dancer legs from high school, and I went for it. So probably not the best thing to do for my ankle, but it sure was fun, and it was a great workout. Weight-wise, I'm approaching 20 pounds. I'm in between 15 and 20. Officially, the last time I weighed myself, which was yesterday, I was down 17 pounds. It fluctuates 5 pounds. It'll go, like if I weighed myself right now, it's probably 5 heavier. And I've been working out almost every day. We also have a gym at the rec center, so I use all of the equipment there, but frankly, I just love doing yoga. There's also a pool at my rec center, and it doesn't open till 10, so I just throw my yoga mat out, nobody's there, and I just do yoga by the pool with the mountains in the background. It's so beautiful. How did I get so lucky? So I'm still sticking with the bulletproof protocol. However, I just don't have time to think through all of the recipes and plan for them. I have all the food on hand, so I'll make something up using approved spices and meats and vegetables. And in fact, all of the dairy I'm getting these days is grass-fed. As usual, I need to eat more vegetables, but meh. Oh, one other thing. Gosh, this keeps getting closer and closer. Let me back you up and get you more into the light again. Oh, I'm doing Paragon again, so I'm on my second Paragon round. So we're flushing out more parasites. Good stuff to think about, huh? So I'm going to include the meal I was following last week. So as I record this right now, it's Friday. But I maybe tried 3 recipes this week. So to recap, videos here on out are only going to be made of the recipes I try in Bulletproof. So it might be 2 weeks before I update you again. Life is so good. I love it. I love how I feel. I love how I look. I love the energy I have. I love that I'm working out again. It feels so good.